Now to write our first hello world in React, we need to have certain text editors set up. So I am using VS Code. So let's see how to set up a VS Code. So just type VS Code in Google and you will get the Visual Studio Code website over here. Just click on that and then you will see the download button in the first screen. Just download it, install it. It is pretty easy to install in every platform, Windows, Linux and Mac. It is very easy to install. Just install it and then we are good to go creating our first React Hello World application. Now here is a empty folder, and to open this empty folder in a Visual Studio Code, what I do is I will write cmd over here and it will open command in this folder, and in command I will write code and dot. So this will open Visual Studio Code in that folder. So now the folder is empty, right? So we have nothing in the folder, and first thing we will do is make one index.html file in this folder. So first let's set up the boilerplate of the HTML. So just doing that exclamation sign and tab, it will generate a boilerplate of HTML. This is a Visual Studio Code shortcut. So we will write here my first React hello world. Now, in order to run React.js code, we need to import few React.js script in this HTML. So let's see where are the scripts. So in the React.js official website, we go on docs page, and in right side we see create add React to a website. So just click on that, and in below you see two script over here, script 1 and script 2. Just copy those two script and paste it over here. So now this first script over here gives us React.js core packages, objects and methods, and this second package over here helps our React component to be displayed, to be rendered in the DOM, in the browser DOM. So now only these two will work for sure, but without compiling the JSX, without Babel, using React is pretty hard. So we will bring up the Babel, which will compile our React code into the browser understandable JavaScript. So down in the same file we have, here is Babel script. So just take that Babel script and put it below here, and after that we are good to write our React code. So before writing React code, we need to make one div and give it a ID whatever you like. I will give it root. So whatever component we will make in React, we will display that component in this root div element. So now we write our React code in here. So to do that, first make a script, and in script we write our React code. So first make a function. I will make a function app which will return some JSX code in here. I have given a small parenthesis because it allows us to return multi-line code. Now I will open div and I will open one h1 tag as well, h1, and here I will write hello world, and I will open one paragraph, and here I write from React. Now this component is ready to work, but we need to render this component in this element for our browser. to actually display it in the screen. So to do that, we have a React DOM object exposed by this React DOM script. Now this object have render function which takes in two arguments A and B, and first argument A is a component that we are rendering, and in this case we will write the component as a custom HTML tag, and this tag will be compiled to the browser understandable form by this Babel. We don't have to worry about that. And in B argument we will just pass in where we display this component. So in our case this is document.getElementById by id root. So now this should work fine. So let's just open it in a file explorer and double click on it to actually see. Now let's see what happened. Nothing worked because what happened is this Babel did not compile our React code. And why it did not compile? Because it don't get which script to compile, because we have not specified this is a Babel script. So writing text slash Babel here in script, our Babel compiler will know that this script I have to compile, and we will get the result as expected. So now let's refresh. So now here we are seeing hello world from React. So this is our first hello world component in React. So this all for this lecture, and in coming lecture we will deep dive into the JSX, and we will see how React look like without JSX as well.